The Barista Express Impress features an inbuilt cleaning cycle, which should be carried out periodically. The maintenance light will automatically flash to indicate when a cleaning cycle is required. To start, insert the 1-cup filter basket into the portafilter, followed by the silicone cleaning disc. Place one cleaning tablet into the center of the cleaning disc. Then insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Before you start the cleaning cycle, make sure the water tank is filled to the max line with cold water, the drip tray is empty, and the machine is turned off. Press the 1-cup, 2-cup, and power buttons simultaneously and hold for 3 seconds. The cleaning cycle will commence and last for approximately 5 minutes. The machine will beep 3 times and return to standby mode once completed. Remove the portafilter and ensure the tablet has completely dissolved. If the tablet has not fully dissolved, repeat the steps until the tablet has dissolved. Once the tablet has completely dissolved, remove the cleaning disc, then reinsert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Place a small cup or container under the portafilter and press the 2-cup button to rinse any residue.